Hi, hello, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I share all kinds of videos about beauty, shopping, decor, and more. These are all passions of mine. And today I'm sharing about the nails I use. It's Red Aspen. I've been using these for over a couple of years now, and they're the best nails I've found for glue-on nails. They last, for me, they last up to 3 weeks, and you know, if one pops off, you can always just glue it right back on. So, which is rare because usually they stay good for at least 2 weeks, and then sometimes you might have 1 or 2 pop off, but you can put them back on and they continue to last. So this is Red Aspen. This is the bag I use. In it, I carry, let's see, I carry scissors right here, and I can link these below. I got these at Amazon, and I absolutely love these scissors. They're perfect for trimming nails and also cutting things, which sometimes I do. Also, well, I'll show you in the box when I get it, but I have glue in here, and glue comes with each set of nails, but this one, I bought this bottle, and then actually I refill the bottle with the glue that comes with the nails. So there's that. And I'm gonna show you, here's the package I got. It's kind of cute. They have little pink, it's got pink hearts stuffing the bag. And then I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nails. In it, they send a cute little card, and they send the receipt for what you get. It says, "Let's party, it's spring." So it's fun because they keep their packages kind of holiday oriented, as nails come out holiday oriented too. So I got this one. This is a coffin white, and I actually just started loving the coffin nails. So they're a little bit longer, but they're thinner at the tips, and so I got these, and I can also mix and match these with some of my other ones I have. Then here's just their basic white, which is always good, and again, it's a good one to mix with other nails. I got a fun spring set of nails. These are pink and orange. They have little flowers and designs on them. I might put this one on today since it's spring and we have Easter coming up. That might be a cute one. I got these. These are called Dorothy's Got Spunk. And these are a white with like a kind of a rose gold marble look. I think they're really pretty. I don't know if you can really see them through that, but. And then the other one I got is the Pop Nail Dashes, and this one is, check her out, Chiara. And this is just beige and white checks. Really cute, trendy. So those are the ones I also, this one is a favorite of mine too. This one's called Pink Floral Cami, and it's just a pink, but they have some beaded flowers on a couple of them. So they're, you can mix and match the styles. So I am not sure which one I'm going to do, but I'm going to show you how I put them on. I think I'm going to pick these spring one. These are an almond shape, and this one is called Quirky Quincy. So Quirky Quincy, very springy. I think we're going to do that one today. And I'm going to get started. I'm just going to show you how I put them on. And first I'm going to show you what's in the box. So you open the box and you pull it out. You got the nails there, you got a glue, you got a wooden thing to help with your cuticles. You've got a filer right here. So I'm just going to take this and open it up. And now I just need to pick my nails. So you just go through and pick about the right sizes. That one fits my thumb. I'm going to go pick my nails really quick and I'll be back to show you how to put them on. Okay, so I have 2 nails on. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this hand and then go to this hand. So here we go. Got our glue. Pick up the nail here. Glue the back of the nail. Glue the nail itself right here. Okay, let me take our nail, put it on like that, and we're gonna hold it. Okay, I got 3 more to go here. So there it is. There's my last one. There they are. So there it is. I got Quirky Quincy's nails on, ready for spring. There you go. So I absolutely love these nails. So I'm going to put the link below. You can go check them out. And enjoy. All right, that's it for this one. And I'll be seeing you again in another video. I have about 4 or 5 right now I need to do. So we're getting ready to share some fun stuff. So I'll be back later. And for now, bye-bye. Thanks for friends for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye-bye.